Car's back down again. Here you can see the top side. So, typical small block Chevy with your Moroso / Summit dress-up kit on it. You can look down here and you can see where maybe the T or distribution block for the brakes, that was rebuilt as well. Master cylinder was replaced. That was old, rusty, and empty when the car came in. The Holly looks to be like a 600. It's just your garden variety Holly. The O-rings on the floats were old and rotted, so it was flooding. Pulled it apart, replaced that, and the front bowl gasket, because I had to take it apart to do that. So, right now, still has sour gas in it, but it is running. Sounds halfway decent for a tail dragger. So, runs, stops. About to take it out and test drive it again. It wasn't shifting gears, but the vacuum line for the modulator had come off and the hose was old as well. So here it is. After a test drive, everything goes good. It's time for it to go home.